Welcome to the Colorado Department of Local Affairs Nonprofit Infrastructure Grant Program. This grant program is designed to support infrastructure and capacity building for nonprofit organizations that provide essential services to Colorado communities, such as health equity, workforce development, community economic development, early childhood care, education support, housing, and food justice, and have been impacted or disproportionately impacted by COVID-19. To be eligible for this grant, there are specific criteria that must be met depending on your nonprofit structure. For nonprofit organizations, applicants must be registered with the Colorado Secretary of State and be in good standing. The organization must have an annual budget of at least $150,000, but no more than $2 million. Nonprofit organizations must provide a clear plan for how the grant funds will be used to improve their infrastructure, such as strategic planning and organizational development for capacity building, fundraising, and other services. The emphasis on infrastructure and capacity building will help small nonprofits with things like data collection or technology infrastructure, professional development, staff and board growth, communications, strategic planning and organizational development for capacity building, fundraising and other services, and existing program expansion, development, or evaluation. For fiscal agents, organizations must be a tax-exempt charitable organization or social welfare organization operating under the 501c3 that has an arrangement with a small community-based nonprofit that may or may not have its own tax-exempt status. They must also have experience managing grants and providing fiscal oversight to other organizations. Fiscal agents must provide a clear plan for how the grant funds will be used to improve the infrastructure of the organization they are supporting. For fiscal sponsors, organizations must be a tax-exempt charitable or social welfare group operating under a 501c3 that has an arrangement with small community-based groups, SCBGs, that are not registered nonprofits. They must also have experience managing grants and providing fiscal oversight to other organizations. Fiscal sponsors must provide a clear plan for how the grant funds will be used to improve the infrastructure of the groups they are sponsoring. Grant funding available for this program is $33,100,000 and will be awarded ranging from $10,000 to $100,000. All applicants must demonstrate a need for infrastructure improvements and show how the grant funds will enhance their ability to provide essential services to the Colorado community they serve. The application deadline for this grant is August 31st, 2023, so don't delay in applying. Please visit dlg.colorado.gov/NPI to learn more and apply today.